In this video, I'll show you how to set up Rank Math SEO on WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Rank Math SEO, then install and activate the plugin. Next, the Setup wizard will open automatically. Click Start Wizard and connect your Rank Math account if prompted. Then choose the setup mode that best fits your experience level. After that, enter your website details, including the site type, business name, and logo. Configure the basic SEO settings, enable XML sitemaps, and review the recommended options. Now complete the Setup wizard and open the Rank Math menu from the WordPress sidebar. Review the plugin settings and enable any additional features you want to use, such as schema markup, image SEO, or redirections. Next, edit one of your pages or posts and scroll down to the Rank Math panel. Enter a focus keyword, optimize your SEO title and meta description, and follow the optimization suggestions to improve your content. Finally, save your changes and continue optimizing your pages and posts as you publish new content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Rank Math SEO on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.